Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to buy USDT on Binance or how to deposit USDT on Binance using Airtel Money or M10 mobile money. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below so that this video reaches out to everyone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe guys if you are new to this channel. Now let's get started. First of all guys, log into your Binance account. Then guys, you're going to press here on P2P trading. You're going to press there on P2P trading. After pressing on P2P trading guys, they'll bring you different vendors on Binance P2P so that you can buy and deposit USDT on your mobile money. Make sure it's in buy up here. Make sure it's in buy, not sell. Make sure I put it in buy just like mine, not in sell. Just make sure that it's in buy. Then guys, I want to buy USDT. So how to make it quick? I'm not going to scroll to look for my payment method and to look for the limit I want. Each vendor on Binance has their own limit, so I'm not going to scroll just to look for everyone's limit and the payment method. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up here. You're going to come up here. Then you press there on amount up there, right there guys. After pressing on amount, you're going to enter the amount of Ugandan shillings you want to use to buy USDT on Binance. So me, I want to buy USDT for 30k. I want to buy USDT for 30k. After I press on confirm, make sure you watch the video to the end because each step is useful. As you can see guys, I want to buy USDT for 30k Ugandan shillings, and they have brought me the vendors with their limit matching with my 30k I want to use to buy USDT. You have to make sure that you look at the limit, so that's why you have to use the quick method. You press up here on amount, then you enter the amount of Ugandan shillings you want to use to buy USDT. After that guys, payment method matters. So if you want to use cheaper cash, Airtel Money, M10 mobile money, you're going to press up here on payment method right there guys. After pressing there, you're going to choose any payment method you would like to use to buy USDT on Binance. So me, I want to use M10 mobile money. As you can see, it's right there, so I have to press on M10 mobile money. But there is Airtel Money, Momo, cheaper cash, and other payment methods guys. As you can see, they are available for you to use to buy USDT on Binance. So me, I'm going to use M10 mobile money. After I press on confirm, as you can see guys, I'm going to buy USDT from this vendor up here. So you press on buy. Then guys, we're going to enter the amount of Ugandan shillings you are going to use to buy USDT. I'm going to enter the amount of Ugandan shillings right here I'm going to use to buy USDT. So I'm going to enter 30k because I want USDT for 30k Ugandan shillings. As you can see, quantity is 7.73 USDT. They are going to give me 7.73 USDT, as you can see right here. And the amount I'm going to pay guys is 30k Ugandan shillings, as you can see right there. Then after you press on buy with zero fee. Now guys, you can take a look. The order is created. Right here. As you can see, I'm done creating my order. Now what next? I'm going to make a payment. So I'm going to press down here on make a payment. So guys, I'm selecting the payment method, so that is M10 mobile money. I'm going to use M10, not Airtel, to send this vendor money so that they can give me USDT. So I'm going to press on M10 mobile money. So guys, this is the number I'm going to send the money to so that I can buy USDT. The name is Darius and the number is right here. So I'm going to send money on that number. And then after, I'm going to press here on transfer, notify the seller right here. So right now guys, I'm going to send the money to this buyer so that I can get USDT. Note guys, on Binance, when we are buying USDT, we are the one to send the money first and then they release for us USDT. But when we are selling, they have to send us the money first and then we release USDT. Hope you can get that. So guys, right now I'm sending the buyer the money. After sending the money guys, you press on transfer, notify the seller. After sending the money, you press right there on transfer, notify the seller. Now guys, after me notifying the seller that I've transferred the money, I'm waiting for the seller to release my crypto. But if they're taking long, you press up on the chart guys, you press up on the chart, and then you tell the buyer guys to make it quick. You tell the buyer that I've paid, please release the crypto now. After that guys, you wait for the seller to release your crypto, but it always doesn't take long. It takes some few seconds to some minutes to release your crypto into your funding wallet. As you can see guys, I'm done buying 7.73 USDT. It's deposited into my funding wallet. So that's how you can buy USDT on Binance. Those who want to sell USDT, make sure you go in the description, press on the link. It will take you to the video how to buy USDT on Binance. Make sure you like the video guys, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video guys.